Hello, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Today, we are going to do an interesting test with the CrossBot on the Expert Option platform, and our focus will be on just one market. I will follow the signals given by the application without switching markets, so we can see how this bot performs in real-time conditions. As a trader, it's very important to stay consistent with the strategy and plan we've set. So make sure to pay close attention to how the bot works and how I execute the signals it provides. For those of you interested in trying it out yourselves, you can download the CrossBot through the link in the description. This bot is really helpful in providing signals based on technical analysis and can improve your accuracy in trading. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any updates on the latest videos about trading strategies and other important tips. By subscribe, you'll continue learning and sharpening your trading skills. Now, let's begin and see how the CrossBot performs in this market. In accordance with the plan I had previously set, this time I will test the CrossBot by focusing on only one market. So, in this trial, I will only trade in the AUD-USD market without moving to other markets. The goal is to ensure that we can see how these bots work specifically in a stable market environment. This way we can get more accurate and objective results about the performance of the CrossBot in this market. I ran this test using signals for 1-minute trades, which is a short but effective duration for testing the CrossBot's response in real-time market conditions. By focusing on 1-minute trades, we can quickly see how the bot provides signals and how I execute each trade. The first trade is already underway, so let's take a look at the results and see how the bot performs in capturing opportunities in this market. It looks like my first trade went very well. This shows that the signals provided by the CrossBot are working as expected in the current market conditions. With the 1-minute trades I executed, the results looked quite satisfactory, and this gives me more confidence in the bot's performance in detecting opportunities in the market. Of course, this is just the first step, so let's continue to monitor the results in the next trade and see if the consistency of this signal can be maintained or no. So please watch this video until the end so you know whether this bot works over time or not. And for those of you who want to download it, please see the video description below. My second trade also ended in profit. This further strengthens the belief that the CrossBot is able to provide accurate signals in the market conditions we tested, with 2 consecutive trades resulting in profits. Even though these results are positive, it is important to remain vigilant and continue to monitor performance in subsequent trades, as consistency is key in long-term trading. Here I also managed to make a profit. These results increase our confidence in the performance of the Crossbot. With 3 consecutive profitable trades, it is clear that the signals provided are quite effective in this market. Now let's look at the next trade and continue to monitor how this bot functions so that we can better understand the power and potential it has in different market conditions. This trade also ended in profit, so I thought it was enough to test this bot. These positive results provide a good picture of the performance of the Crossbot in the market conditions we used. Hopefully this video is useful for all of you and can provide insight into how this bot can help in trading. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.